Okay, so there's the flat side, and there's the round side, and there's the butt. Now, when it goes in your basket, the flowers will be on the inside, and your dilly bobs will be here, like that. Now, I could do another layer on the inside, so it's flowers on both, but it's a giant pain in the ass, and you really won't be able to see this side because it's next to the wicker. So, there she be. I just have to finish sewing the top section and then installing your Velcro. Da-da-da-da. If you want, you can tell me the dimensions for that little square box that you have, and I can do one for that too. I wish there was blue in this fabric, but there isn't. So if you want to do the wicker basket to make it where this is more prevalent and not just one spot with yellow, let me know. I've got another yard of fabric, so